In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix stuttering or frame drops on your PC on Black Ops 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But basically, the first thing you want to do is go to your settings and then go over to the graphics tab. The very first thing you can do is a benchmark tool to see what your FPS and performance looks like. Then head on over to quality. Once you're on the quality tab, go to graphics preset and switch it to minimum, which sets all the quality settings to their minimum value to obtain the highest count of frames per second. Now when you do this, your game might look slightly worse, like in terms of visuals, but it's definitely going to improve your performance. If you don't want it to be minimum, but you still want really good FPS, you can also switch it to basic as well, which is also really good. You're gonna, still have low settings with good FPS, but it's not going to be as harsh of a change compared to minimum. So after that, you should be good to go. You can even change your view as well. I definitely recommend turning off world motion blur and weapon motion blur as well. And it should definitely help any stuttering or anything like that you're having on Black Ops 7. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on the channel.